हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी के एमसीक्यूज विथ राइट आंसर्स। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। द वर्ड सेल फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय रॉबर्ट हुक। द न्यूक्लियस वाज फर्स्ट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय रॉबर्ट ब्राउन इन 1831। द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इज mainly composed of phospholipids. The ribosomes are present on the endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth surface endoplasmic reticulum is associated with the steroidal hormone synthesis. Golgi apparatus is concerned with secretions. Protein is synthesized by ribosomes. DNA is mainly present in nucleus. The interval between each cell division is called interphase. The kidney tubule contain cuboidal epithelium. The uterine tube is lined with ciliated epithelium. Skin contains keratinized stratified epithelium. Which one of these is a connective tissue? Is blood. Mast cells are responsible for the release of serotonin, histamine, prostaglandin, heparin, leukotriene, and kinins. The tissue responsible for the elasticity and tensile strength is areolar tissue. Myoglobin is present in striated muscle fibers. Non-striated muscle tissue is not under the control of will. Rhythmicity is a property of cardiac muscle. Axon and dendrites are a part of neurons. The lymphatic tissue are concerned with spleen. The visceral muscle is present in respiratory tract. The average volume of blood in human body is 5.5 liters. The immune response of the body is related to globulins. Which one of these nitrogenous waste products present in the blood is creatinine? Which one of these cells is non-nucleated? Is red blood cells. The normal erythrocytes count is 5.5 million. Normal hemoglobin value is in male is 15. Erythrocytes are formed in red bone marrow. The lifespan of erythrocytes is about 120 days. Which one of this group is universal donor? Is O group. Which one of this group is universal recipient? AB plus group. The average total number of white blood cells is 6,000 to 8,000. Which one of these leukocytes are present in major concentration? Is neutrophils. Fibrinogen is synthesized in liver. The average number of platelets per cubic mm of blood is 250 to 450. Polycythemia is increased number of RBC. Megaloblastic anemia occur due to deficiency of vitamin B12 or folic acid. Thrombocytopenia occur due to decreased platelet counts. The clotting of blood is due to blood platelets. The leukocytes are produced in bone marrow. Human heart is four-chambered. The blood is propelled to lung for oxygen through right ventricles. The cardiac cycle time is 0.8 seconds. Purkinje fiber is present in heart. The only artery which contains deoxygenated blood is pulmonary artery. Which one of these act as pacemaker in normal routine? Is SN node, is sinoatrial node. The word lub-dub is related to heart sound. Electrocardiogram gives the information about state of myocardium. The amount of blood expelled during each contraction is called stroke volume. Baroreceptor is concerned with control of blood pressure. Blood is supplied to the heart through coronary artery. The normal blood pressure of healthy person is 120 by 80 mm of Hg. Right side of heart contain impure blood and जो left side होता है वो pure blood contain करता है. Endocardium is a layer of heart. The systolic pressure is the maximum pressure. Which one of these following is not a lymphatic gland? Is pancreas. The reserve pacemaker is AV node. The peritoneum is a outer covering of alimentary tract in abdomen. The teeth are embedded in the alveoli of maxilla. The number of temporary teeth in human beings is 20. The teeth are embedded in the alveoli of maxilla. The number of temporary teeth in human beings is 20. Premolar teeth is used for grinding. Parotoid glands are present in mouth. The pH of saliva amylase activity is 6.8. Which part of the pharynx is associated with the digestion is all of the above. The optimal pH of pepsin is 2.5 से 4.5. Mucus entericus is related to intestinal juice is duodenal walls होती है. The intestinal juice contain enzyme is enterokinase, maltase, lipase. Sodium tauroglycolate helps in the digestion of fats. Colon is related to large intestine. Which one of these glands has both endocrine and exocrine function is pancreas. Which one of these glands is associated with the deamination of amino acid is liver. Bile is formed in liver and stored in gallbladder. Liver is a storage site for glycogen. The proteolytic enzyme of pancreatic juice is trypsin and chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase. Which one of these produce antibodies is platine tonsils. She-shaped hyaline cartilage are present in trachea. The right and left lungs are divided into 3 lobes and 2 lobes respectively. The number of pair of intercostal muscle is 11. The number of respiratory cycles per minute in normal quiet breathing is 15. Tidal volume is amount of air which passes into and out of lungs during each cycle. Tonsils are present in pharynx. Normal respiratory reserve volume is 2500 ml. The total lung capacity is about 6 liters. The accumulation of carbon dioxide gas in lung is called hypercapnia. Diphtheria is an infection of pharynx or nose. Changes in partial pressure of O2 and CO2 gas in a blood is responded by arterial chemoreceptor. Which is the main organ of urinary system is kidney. Real blood vessels enter in the kidney through hilum or renal artery. The basic unit of kidney is nephron. Water is reabsorbed in tubules due to effect of aldosterone. Trigone is present in urinary bladder. Nephritis is a disease occur in kidney. The number of a nephron in each kidney is about 1 million. The capacity of bladder is about 500 ml. Urinary tract infection is caused by E. coli. Glucose reabsorption takes place mainly in proximal convoluted tubules. Polyuria is a condition characterized by increased urine formation. Growth hormone is released from pituitary glands. Which endocrine gland is present in front of larynx is thyroid. T3 and T4 are secreted from thyroid glands.